Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss linear equations in one variable class 8 CBSE. Today we're going to cover exercise 2.5 question 3 and 4 in this video. So let's begin. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, subscribe and ring your notification bell. So here I have question number 3 displayed for you. So question number 3 says x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equals to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. So what do you mean by solving this is nothing but finding out the value of x. Alright. So since we have x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equals to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2, we are going to find out the LCM of 3, 6 and 2. Alright, we are going to find out the denominator's LCM. Since we have denominator as 1 for both the case, so we need not consider that. So what's the LCM for 3, 6 and 2? It's nothing but 6, isn't it? So when we find out the LCM, what we are going to do? It's quite simple. We multiply 6 to each and every rational number, right? So since we have multiplied 6 to every rational number, as you can observe, this is in the LHS part that is done, and here I have done with the RHS part. So let us solve the LHS part first. All right. So when we multiply 6 into x, what do you get? 6x, right? So 6 into 7 is nothing but 42 plus 42 as it is plus 6. All right. So minus 6 multiplied by 8x by 3. How do you solve this? Is quite simple. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 8x multiplied by 2 gives us 16x, and minus, which is over here, is written as it is. Alright. So LHS part is done. Let's go on to RHS part. So in the RHS part we have 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Both the terms or both the rational numbers are multiplied with 6. So now we can simplify or cancel this. 6 and 6 can be cancelled, and 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6, right? So when you solve this, 17 will be written as it is. So 5x multiplied with 3 is nothing but 15x. As it was minus 5x minus 15 we have got. Alright. So how do you solve this further, guys? That's quite simple. First, you have to solve the LHS part. So here we have plus. So plus into minus is nothing but minus. So 16x minus 6x is nothing but 10x. How did we get a minus sign before it? It's nothing but the greater number sign. Alright. So now plus 42 is written as it is. Let's move on to RHS part. So in the RHS part, we have nothing to be solved as one is a variable and one is a constant. So it will be written as it is, guys. Now, how do you do? It's similar to all the previous sums that you have solved. It's nothing but transpose the variables to one side and all the constants to another side. So what do? You transpose 15x towards your LHS and 42 towards your RHS. So now, when you do that, what do you arrive at is quite simple. We just transposed minus 15x to RHS, LHS. So what do you get? Plus 15x, and plus 42 is transposed to RHS. So you get minus 42. Now you can simply classify this or simplify this by saying minus into plus, which gives you minus. So 15 minus 10 is 5. So 5 is written. We have plus 5 because of the greater number sign, which is plus 15. Let's move on to the RHS part. So 17 minus 42 is 25, and the greater number sign is minus. So we have a minus in front of 25. Now do you solve this? As usual, guys, you just transpose 5 towards your RHS, which converts to division, and minus 25 divided by 5 is nothing but 5, which is minus 5, right? I hope that was quite interesting to solve with me. Let's move on to question number 4. Here I have question number 4 displayed for you. So question number 4 says x minus 5 by 3 is equals to x minus 3 by 5. So how we are going to solve this is quite simple. Just find out the value of x. To find out that, first we'll take the LCM of 3 and 5, which are the denominators. So what is the LCM of 3 and 5, guys? 15, obviously, right? So when we find out the LCM, what do? We multiply the LCM with both the terms, both RHS and LHS, right? So multiplying 15 in the LHS part as well as in the RHS part. Now, you can go through the cancellation part. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, right? So 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. Now, how do you solve this, guys? Simply we write it in the brackets, x minus 5 multiplied by 5 and x minus 3 multiplied by 3. That's what we have arrived at, right? Now, guys, we have to just solve the brackets. That's quite simple. You just multiply 5 to x, which brings you to 5x, and you multiply 5 to minus 5, which gives you minus 25. So we have solved the LHS. Let's move on to RHS part. 3 is multiplied with x, which brings you 3x. And 3 is multiplied with minus 3, which gives you minus 9. So how did we arrive at this? Simply by solving the brackets. It's also given here, right? Now, it's quite simple, guys. We just transpose all the variables to one side and all the constants to one side. So we'll transpose 3x towards the LHS, which converts to minus 3x, and minus 25 is transposed to RHS, which converts to plus 25. So now 5x minus 3x is nothing but 2x. 25 minus 9 is nothing but 16. Now you can just transpose 2 towards your RHS, which converts to division, right? So when we have transposed this, 16 divided by 2 is nothing but 8. Therefore, the value of x is 8, right? So guys, I hope that was quite interesting and clear to understand. If you really liked my video, do give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to share my videos and write a comment down below in the comment box.